Have you ever stopped to think about just how much energy is packed into the food you eat every day? Here's a surprising fact. The average person consumes enough food energy each day to power a 100-watt light bulb for over 24 hours. That's right, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner aren't just satisfying your hunger. They're fueling every heartbeat, every step, and even every thought. But if food is such a powerful source of energy, why is it that so many of us feel sluggish after eating a big meal? Have you ever settled in for lunch, only to find yourself battling an energy slump an hour later? You're not alone. The relationship between food and energy is more complex than simply calories in, energy out. Today, let's unravel the truth about how food powers our bodies, why not all foods are equal when it comes to energy, and how you can make smarter choices for sustained vitality throughout your day. At its core, food is our body's fuel. Every bite you take contains energy, measured in calories, that your body converts into movement, heat, and all the vital processes that keep you alive. Without food, your body simply wouldn't have the resources to function. That's why, from the moment you wake up to the time you go to sleep, your cells are constantly burning fuel to keep you going. But here's where things get interesting. Not all calories are created equal. There's a common misconception that as long as you get enough calories, it doesn't matter where they come from. The reality is far more nuanced. The type of food you eat, whether it's a sugary snack, a protein-rich meal, or a plate full of vegetables, has a huge impact on how energized or sluggish you feel. Let's break it down by the primary components of food: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred source of quick energy. They're found in foods like bread, pasta, rice, fruits, and sweets. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which enters your bloodstream and is delivered to your cells for immediate use. This is why you often feel a quick burst of energy after eating something sugary or starchy. However, not all carbs are the same. Refined carbs, like white bread, pastries, and candy, cause your blood sugar to spike quickly and then crash just as fast. That crash is what leaves you feeling tired and cranky soon after. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates, like whole grains, beans, and vegetables, are digested more slowly. They provide a steady release of glucose, keeping your energy levels more consistent throughout the day. Choosing these foods can help you avoid the highs and lows that come with sugary snacks. Protein is another essential player in the energy equation. While it's not the body's primary energy source, protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and keeping you feeling full. Foods like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes provide protein. Including a source of protein in your meals can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, helping to maintain stable blood sugar and energy. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're actually vital for long-lasting energy. Healthy fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are digested slowly, providing a sustained energy source. Unlike the quick spike and drop from simple carbs, fats help keep you going during long periods between meals. Plus, they support brain health and hormone production, both of which are essential for feeling energized and alert. Of course, energy isn't just about macronutrients. Hydration plays a crucial, often overlooked role. Even mild dehydration can make you feel tired and unfocused. Water is needed for almost every cellular process in your body, including the conversion of food into usable energy. When you're low on fluids, your body has to work harder to do its job, leaving you feeling drained. So, sipping water regularly throughout the day is just as important as the foods you choose. But timing matters, too. Many people skip breakfast or wait hours between meals, only to experience sudden drops in energy and intense cravings. Eating smaller, balanced meals and snacks every few hours helps keep your blood sugar and your energy on an even keel. It's not just what you eat, but when you eat that counts. So, what does the science say about the best foods for sustained energy? Research consistently shows that diets rich in whole, unprocessed foods, like vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, are most effective at providing steady, long-lasting energy. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate a high-fiber, low-glycemic diet reported higher energy levels and fewer mood swings compared to those who consumed more refined carbs and sugars. Experts agree, choosing foods that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible is the key. This means opting for oatmeal instead of sugary cereal, whole fruits instead of fruit juice, and nuts instead of chips. These choices provide not only carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in their healthiest forms, but also essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. Another tip from nutritionists is to pair different food groups together. For example, combine a piece of fruit with a handful of almonds or whole grain toast with peanut butter. This combination of complex carbs, healthy fats, and protein helps slow digestion and promote a steady release of energy, keeping you satisfied and alert for hours. And don't forget the importance of breakfast. After a night of fasting, your body's energy stores are low. Eating a balanced breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and provides the fuel you need to concentrate and perform your best, whether at work, school, or the gym. To summarize, food is indeed a powerful source of energy, but the type and timing of what you eat make all the difference. Choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods, rich in complex carbs, lean proteins, and healthy fats, along with staying well hydrated and eating at regular intervals, is the best way to maintain steady energy throughout your day. Avoiding sugary snacks and heavily processed foods can help you sidestep those dreaded energy crashes and keep you feeling vibrant and focused. Remember, the next time you're reaching for a snack or planning a meal, think about how it will fuel your body, not just for the next hour, but for the whole day. Your food choices have the power to lift you up or slow you down. If you found these insights helpful and want more tips on nutrition and living your healthiest life, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Your journey to better energy starts with what's on your plate.